have flexible plans and prices for co-working spaces, plug-and-play offices, event spaces, such as this one, meeting rooms, such as the one in the back, virtual offices, which Ms. Mia mentioned earlier. So for those who don't know, virtual offices are basically offices or an office address or commercial address that you can use in lieu of your personal home address. So you can have their official files sent here, your business registration done here with us at Zero Time Park. And basically, instead of having a home address, you have a commercial and official living address that you can use for your business registration. We serve over 400 companies and 1,100 professionals across industries like tech, finance, education, marketing, and more. So we have 15 locations worldwide, average of 50 events annually. You can see here, you can see some familiar logos like DTI, Zim, Geeks on the Beach, Dual Story, BBI, YouTube. Our branch has been up and running here in the JDM building, and we geographically bridge people between key locations like Peak Park, Lashan, Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, symbolic of this road and building great connections as they have been. And we can have Jollibee nearby if you guys want. So it's an amazing space to go work because everything's convenient here for you and here. So here's basically what we service for companies and brands who like to come and visit. We have workstations. This is a co-working area normally. So we have people just sitting around here working together. Though not necessarily co-workers, we are co-working together. Then we have the reception area, security, we have 24/7 security here. We have free flowing coffee, free water. We also are more affordable definitely rather than our normal rate. So if you sign up with us as a startup here, we our philosophy there is growing your company from 0 to 10. So we like to help you start out from a small business. So you start your business with a virtual office, and eventually you'd like to try co